So this is a review of the DeWALT DWE 315 GB. It's a 230 volt multi-tool. I got the corded version for reasons I'll explain in a minute. It comes with 4 meters of very flexible cord, which is pretty good. It just comes in this cardboard box. If you register, then they'll give you a 3-year guarantee, which is pretty good. It's got a toolless operation, so you push this down. It's quite stiff. It's a very strong spring on it. You push this down to put the bit in. So I'll just turn this off. Just make sure it's off. Yeah. Basically, you just push that down there like that. You pop that in, and it's on. And you can move it to other positions, like so. The bits it comes with are a bimetal multi-material saw and a little scraper, and that's it. They do this in slightly different packaging with additional accessories and so on, but this is the kit I bought. Got it from B&Q's, cost me exactly £100. The reason I went for the DeWalt was primarily for the brand. Whilst this is the first DeWalt tool I've owned, they have a very good reputation. I've used other brands that frankly aren't very good, so I wanted to go with a brand that was good. I went for a corded rather than a cordless because I had a specific job that I wanted to do with this tool, and because it was the only tool that I wanted, and I don't currently have I'm not already invested in a cordless system, I decided that to spend the £100 on the cordless one and then the £200 on a battery and the charger to buy into the system, it was going to cost me £300. That didn't seem like a very good idea at the time. What I didn't realise is, literally a week later, my hammer drill, which I've had for many years, probably 30 years, that broke. And had I known that, I would have probably bought a cordless one and gone and got a cordless hammer drill as well at the same time. And then I could have justified buying into a battery system. But because I didn't have that, because it was a single purchase, so it didn't make sense to buy into a battery system when I only wanted the single tool. I found it to be very powerful. The features that I like about it, it has a little light. When you turn it on, that lights up. This trigger is lovely. I tend to use it at the bottom here. You press this trigger and you can change the speed. Or you can press the trigger here to change the speed. So it's quite nice that you can press in 2 positions. I quite like using it like this. There will be occasions when it might be better to use it like this. It's got a little button here so that you can hold it on, so you haven't got to keep holding it if you're doing a long job, which is quite a nice idea. It feels very rugged. This is all rubber. This is the yellow stuff's plastic, but all the black is quite a heavy rubber, except for this bit here, which is plastic, and these bits which are plastic. I've not had any problems with it. I've only used it a few times. I've cut some floorboards. That was a breeze. It was the first time I ever used it, and I used it to cut some bridle joints into a lattice. Because I needed to cut down sort of a fence lattice into 2 smaller pieces, and I used it for that, and it was a breeze. It was very easy to use. My friends said that they use theirs all the time. I thought I'd only use it for the floorboards and that would be it. I've used it now twice in a couple of weeks. Obviously I'm only a hobbyist, so I'm not doing this for a living. So I imagine if you're doing it for a living, then you'd probably go for a cordless version. You don't want the aggro of cables, but I couldn't really see a reason for not using a cabled version. It also comes with a universal adapter kit, so if you don't want to use the DeWALT tools, then you can fit the universal adapter kit and any other bits or tools will fit. So that's quite a nice feature. And that is my quick overview and review of the DeWALT DWE 315 GB Oscillating Multi-Tool. If you like this video, why not subscribe by clicking my logo? It's free, and YouTube will add some of my videos to your feed. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.